Mac users have long enjoyed the reputation of having a secure operating system, but recent developments show that even macOS is not immune to sophisticated cyber threats. A new malware campaign is targeting Mac users, proving once again that no system is entirely safe from attackers. In this video, we'll break down the details of this malware, how it spreads, and what you can do to protect yourself and your sensitive data. The latest threat involves attackers exploiting a fake version of Homebrew, a popular macOS package management tool. Cybercriminals have created fraudulent websites that mimic Homebrew's official site. These fake sites are designed to trick users into downloading malicious software, believing it to be the trusted Homebrew tool. Once installed, this malware can compromise your Mac, giving attackers access to your data and potentially exposing sensitive information such as passwords, financial details, and personal files. The malware itself is particularly insidious. Once it infiltrates your system, it works quietly in the background, collecting information and sending it back to the attackers. What makes this campaign even more concerning is how convincing the fake websites appear. From the design to the URLs, everything is crafted to appear legitimate, making it difficult for users to detect the fraud. So how exactly does this malware work? It starts with a phishing tactic. Cybercriminals rely on users searching for Homebrew-related tools or updates online. By leveraging search engine optimization, SEO techniques, they ensure that their fake site appears high in search results. Unsuspecting users click the link, download the software, and unknowingly install malware onto their devices. This campaign highlights a critical cybersecurity issue: trust in third-party downloads. Even with a secure system like macOS, relying on unverified software sources can lead to severe consequences. It's a stark reminder that cybercriminals are constantly evolving their techniques to target even the most cautious users. The implications of this malware go beyond just stolen data. If attackers gain control of your Mac, they can use it as a gateway to launch further attacks, both on your network and others you interact with. Imagine having your device compromised and used to attack friends, family, or colleagues. This chain reaction of attacks demonstrates the importance of taking proactive steps to secure your system. Now let's talk about what you can do to protect yourself from this malware and similar threats. First and foremost, always download software from official sources. If you're looking for Homebrew or any other tool, visit the official website directly rather than relying on search engine results. Cybercriminals often target users who aren't vigilant about the source of their downloads. Second, keep your macOS updated. Apple regularly releases security patches and updates to protect against newly discovered vulnerabilities. By ensuring your system is up to date, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to these kinds of attacks. Another crucial step is to use a trusted antivirus or endpoint protection software. While macOS has built-in security features, having an additional layer of protection can help detect and block malware before it causes damage. Many antivirus programs also include features like real-time scanning, which can alert you to suspicious activity on your device. Being cautious about clicking links in emails or online is also essential. Phishing campaigns are a common way for attackers to distribute malware. If you receive an email or come across a website that seems too good to be true, or slightly off, take a step back. Look closely at URLs, verify the source, and avoid clicking suspicious links. Using a virtual private network, VPN, can also enhance your online security. VPNs encrypt your internet traffic, making it harder for attackers to intercept your data. While a VPN won't directly prevent malware downloads, it can reduce your overall exposure to cyber threats by protecting your browsing activity. Educating yourself and others about cybersecurity is another critical step. Share this video with friends and family to help them understand the risks and stay protected. Awareness is one of the best defenses against cybercrime. For those who believe they may have already downloaded malware, don't panic. Start by disconnecting your Mac from the internet to prevent further data transmission. Then, run a thorough scan with your antivirus software to detect and remove the malware. If you're unsure how to proceed or suspect that the malware has caused significant damage, consult a professional cybersecurity expert. It's worth noting that Apple is actively working to address these types of threats. The company has implemented features like Gatekeeper, which verifies the legitimacy of apps before allowing them to run. However, no system is foolproof, and user awareness remains a vital part of the equation. The fact that macOS is being targeted more frequently underscores the growing sophistication of cybercriminals. As Macs gain popularity, they become more attractive targets for attackers. This shift in focus means that Mac users need to be just as vigilant as Windows users when it comes to cybersecurity. Let's recap the key steps to staying safe. 1. Only download software from official sources. 2. Keep your macOS updated with the latest security patches. 3. Use trusted antivirus software for added protection. 4. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or opening unverified emails. 5. Use a VPN to enhance your online privacy and security. In conclusion, the days of assuming that macOS is immune to malware are long gone. Cybercriminals are constantly adapting, finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities and trick users. By staying informed and taking proactive measures, you can protect yourself and your data from these emerging threats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity tips and tech updates. Your support helps us bring you the information you need to stay safe in an increasingly digital world. And let us know in the comments, have you ever encountered malware on your Mac? What steps did you take to resolve it? Let's keep the conversation going and help each other stay secure. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay informed, and stay one step ahead of cyber threats.